Welcome to yet another innovation from Rothenberger Tools. What do we have? C200, 190 gram gas canister. What could be new, you ask yourself? How can a simple product be improved? Quite easy. You all know a 190 gram gas canister as a one-time only product. You take it, put it in your blowtorch, you put it in your gas lamp, you put it on a gas stove. You can use it once, because once you've pierced the bottle, it cannot get reused. Because as soon as you loosen, all the gas dissipates. Quickly show you, can get reused. How does it work? Well, we take the 190 gram gas canister, put it into the blowtorch, the ROFLAME economy torch, light up the torch, do our brazing and our soldering as we require. We finish the job, close the gas, and this is where all artisans would then take it, have to put it in their toolbox and hope nothing goes wrong, it doesn't leak, the torch doesn't get damaged, the gas canister doesn't get pierced, to ensure that the gas can get reused. Now you can ensure the safety of your vehicle, your staff, and non-wastage of gas. Take it off, we take it out, and we can now store it in a safe environment where it cannot accidentally explode due to cigarette butts being thrown out of car windows or excessive heat in very warm areas in the middle of summer. To prove that we can reuse the same gas canister, we have a light. Put it into our casing, attach our light fitting, switch on the gas, and we have light, all with the same canister. Quick, easy. Now we want to cook, use it on a stove, same principle. Original Rothenberger C200 190 gram gas canister, red can, black print, standard, universal, same as all other manufacturers, a pierceable canister that can only get used once. Now, Rothenberger offer you the integrated leakage limiter, top safe system. Easily identifiable as the ILL canister now has white print on it. And over the center piece, clearly indicating top safe system. Effectively, you use your gas canister, you pierce it, and when I release, it seals again. Release, it seals. To prove that there's no gas leakage, I won't try it now. There's gas, no leakage. Integrated leakage limiter, only available from Rothenberger. Get to your nearest stockist now and ask for the world's original. Rothenberger C200 integrated leakage limiter with top safe system. The world's first, the world's best. Stay with Rothenberger. We will support you all the way.